We know the feeling. Support desk inboxes are flooded. Every single request is a one-off, requiring manual data entry, which is slowing down your team. That's why we built the CopilotNow Agent in M365 Copilot. It's time to finally shut off those messy intake channels. Locked out of your computer and can't access ServiceNow? No problem. Fire a password reset request directly from the Teams app and IT is on the case. Need access to a new application? Just ask Copilot. Our agent captures everything your support team needs up front, making back and forth questions obsolete. The ticket is ready to go instantly. Lost hardware? Request a new charger or device in seconds. We get what you need without you having to give it a second thought. And finally, all those hours spent building KBAs and documentation, let's put them to work. Empower your employees to become more self-sufficient, keeping your support team focused on high-value tasks. This agent is your team's new first line of defense, handling technical and functional questions and requests across your organization. And the best part, it sits on the tools they already use every day, Microsoft Teams and Copilot. With our ServiceNow agent, CopilotNow, it's time to get your time back. Schedule a demo today.